Hi guys, I'm Nazif Butcher. Today I'm gonna show you how to debone a beef shank. So the main point is to keep your knife against the bone and try to leave minimum meat on the bone. You see? Your goal should be to leave as little meat as possible on the bone. Wow, this is a very sharp knife. Guys, this knife is from Strong. Of course, love Strong, they're the best. This is their Night Shark series. This is the chef knife. So, this is how you debone a beef shank. Let's talk about the knife. Like I said, this is Strong's Night Shark series. Alright, let me tell you some of the key features. Well, I'm gonna, there's a lot of features listed here, but I'm gonna tell you my favorite. My favorite is the handle. This handle, perfect grip, you know, and the weight of this is perfect. So the handle is made from polypropylene and thermoplastic. It's a black and blue handle, you see. So the reason why it's my favorite, it has a perfect grip. And the edge, very sharp, unique design. It's a beautiful knife. Check them out. I'm gonna leave the link in the comments below. So please have a visit. Check out Strong. Look at their products. They have many different products. I always recommend Strong. In my opinion, they are the best. Thank you for watching.